Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Unlocking Computer Secrets with Rizqtech. Alright, let's get right into it.
Remember, always do the practice of what you are learning. We continue from where we stopped. This is for the beginners class. Take it step by step. Practice to become perfect.
Want to use for it, just come here, type the title. What do you feel like the content, the body would be? Input it here where it says what's on your mind. That's what you are thinking about. Now if you look down, I have some draft here. The first one is form, the second one is invest, be our next social media influencer, and the next one is get paid for reading online. That was the year 2020, so that has been long. Now if you want to fill all the drafts, what you have saved, just click on fill all. As you can see, this is all I have on my drafts. Remember, I said it that as it is, if you like, you can input anything and delete them at any time. As you can see, most of all these things I can delete them, as you can see. So see them. Now how do I delete any of this? All it do to delete any of this, you can simply select like this, the one that you want, or select all. So if you don't want all to be deleted, just tick those ones that you don't need, since they are all drafts. Take them, and select delete. Now you move everything to trash. You select apply. Look at this place. I have 2 items inside this trash. So this trash is what we are going to open next, so that you'll be able to see them. Now look at this. Is there already? This is the trash bin. So all I have here. So what I'm going to do now is just click on mark all, then select delete permanently, then select apply. The reason why I'm taking this one after the other is because we have some slow learners among us. We have aged, and we have middle, we have beginners, and so on and so forth. So everybody will be able to benefit from this. So this will be deleted, and this is the end of the introduction to this dashboard. So the next thing that we are going to be doing now is how to create page one after the other, how to create post one after the other. That is what we are going to do now. So thank you for watching, and let us meet in the next class.